What's up, guys? Today we are going to look at how to get Dark Blade V2. If you do not have Dark Blade, then that's okay. This video is still interesting, so if you're thinking about buying it, but you're not sure, I hope this will make your mind up. Go to Middletown and look for this building with the green roof. Come over to Robot Mega and talk to him. He won't say the same thing as what he says to me, because I already have V2. Now go to Snow Village and follow my steps. Talk to Indra. Here's what you need to say to him in this order. Say me why. Resay, say me why. Give nothing. Give good. You know well. Sure thing, bro. Then come over here. You can only destroy this door with the Z'd move o Dark Blade. Now go to Sky Island. Once again, you can only break this door with the Z'd move. Now to Marine Fortress, go around the back and destroy the door with Z on Dark Blade. Now go back to Middletown and speak to Robot Mega again. And there you have it. You now have Dark Blade V2. It should say at the top of your screen, something has happened to your Dark Blade. Your moves now go insanely far, and they are a lot stronger. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, have a great day, folks.